They say, in the beginning there was neither earth nor sky. Everything was still. Until the story began with an egg, the egg of life, which held the secret of the universe. When it cracked, light emerged, and from this light, the earth emerged, and from here, the Lalish temple appeared.
On this day, all the Yazidis gather at the Lalish temple and light candles. Light upon light, as if they are returning to the first moment of the creation of the first light in this world.
And April, O mother of the Yazidis, is not an ordinary month. April is the bride of the year, and that's why marriage in this month is forbidden. And this holiday is not just a holiday, but a reminder that life is reborn every year